This is Forexacto's weekly report. As the market gets ready to digest the U.S. jobs report, the European Union leaders were forced to delay increasing their rescue fund after acknowledging they face new threats from a collapsed government in Portugal. When we look at the Euro-US daily chart, we see the pair close on Friday just at the end of the hesitation area of the 140 quarter inside a sideways channel that appears to have control. We expect a weak bullish bounce to follow before the bears take control early on this coming week. The bullish campaign of the Australian dollar may have come to a sudden end after a failed attempt at breaking the 130 price level while having a bit of an extension on some of the mid charts. However, when we look at the Australian US daily chart, we see the pair has room to move further, but a rest period is expected and a drop towards the 1.0180 price level before it decides where it is going to next. Everything is pointing north. The Japanese yen continues to show weakness across the board after the correlated intervention. When we look at the US JPY daily chart, we see the pair is set to cross the 50 line, and this indicates a strong bullish campaign towards the 83.25 price level, where a strong area of resistance awaits, which will have much to say about the future of the pair. Budgetary disagreement amongst the political parties could be the cause of the Canadian dollar recent weakness. When we look at the US-Canadian daily chart, we see the pair spent the past week in a sideways channel. However, the smaller charts indicate the bulls have the upper hand. A cross of the 50 line here could be the ticket towards the 99.50 price level and above. Looking at weekly charts on some of the pairs, the GBP US weekly chart shows the pair once again faced difficulties crossing the 164 price level, and we expect the pairs to continue pushing towards the 157.50 and below. The Euro CHF weekly chart shows the pair continues to struggle to cross the 50 line. However, a more serious attempt appears to be underway, and so we will be following these from early on this coming week. Looking at tradable news schedule for the week ahead, it all starts on Wednesday with US ADP employment change at 8:15 a.m., followed by Australia retail sales report at 8:30 p.m. On Thursday, we have Canada's GDP report at 8:30 a.m. Friday, we have UK manufacturing PMI at 4:30 a.m., followed by the big one, US non-farm payroll at 8:30 a.m. And to close the week, we have US manufacturing PMI at 10 a.m. And of course, this is all New York time. This has been Forexacto's weekly report as we look forward to another week of trading in the Forex.